Equipe Treme Tudo.
Stand in the front and shake it out for the girl. Stand in the front and shake it out for the girl. Stand in the front and shake it out for the girl. Stand in the front and shake it out for the girl. Let's go. Show your G-stroke. Show your G-stroke. Show your G-stroke. Show your G-stroke. Get dumb to the drum when it come to the crack. You know just where to get it from. The unbelievable, unstoppable, is logical. I'm setting it off. Now take your drawers off. Now go ahead and do your little thing. I love when your ass go pump it ting. I analyze emotion when you're rocking with a swing. Look and just keep it going and make it pop until it sting. Shit, with your supernova ass, put it on me. You see my drink spilling out over my glass now. Don't even worry about it, Mari, keep it gutter. Son, order another glass in the bottle, pour another one. Lean over, put your head back quick. While I give you something making you wanna spread that shit, go ahead and spread that sick. Get that thick ass over here and do what I'm saying. Yeah, that's it. Come on. Stand in the front and shake it out for the girl. Stand in the front and shake it out for the girl. Stand in the front and shake it out for the girl. Come on. Stand in the front and shake it out for the girl. Let's go. Show your G-stroke. Show your G-stroke. Show your G-stroke. Show your G-stroke. 2009 bust rhyme back up on the scene. Bank accounts in every pocket full of cream. I'm the epitomizer of giving niggas classics. Getting money and showing you niggas how to live. Jump off, we in the party, let's get it right. What? Now all of my bitches, let's take it to the crib. Now. Leave them corny niggas frontin', you know. Ain't saying nothing, saying they doing something they never did. What? And while you with me, baby, pass the stage. How they would pass the peas. That's what they used to say. Ooh, I can't define the math, I try to define your ass. That's how we used to play. But how you play now? We taking over with your big ass. Knocking me over, hey yo, see cause I say so. And get low, ass to the floor. Baby, now show me your G-stroke. Come on. Stand in the front and shake it out for the girl. Stand in the front and shake it out for the girl. Stand in the front and shake it out for the girl. Come on. Stand in the front and shake it out for the girl. Let's go. Show your G-stroke. Show your G-stroke. Show your G-stroke. Show your G-stroke.
It's the breakdown. It's your favorite part. It's the breakdown. Keep it going, don't stop. It's the breakdown. Make it do what it do. It's the breakdown. Act like it's made for you. Get ugly, act retarded. Scrunch that face, move that body. Breakdown. What? Breakdown.
Here I am, B-R-A-W. So fuck with me, I'm here to bring double to the platinum feeling. At a 3 to the million, travel with the bitches exotic and fuck me a Brazilian. Laugh at a bunch of you niggas when I come and I switch it like a chameleon. And then I slide at the back and find a G-stroke candidate that's willing to come and swallow my children. Go ahead and sing my song, getting money, your bitches. Now tell me what you really on. Back on my bullshit. I move quick, pull 6 bitches and make them sit on my pool stick. To the left, I see your ass is ready, willing, and able. To the right, your ass is knocking my bottles off the table. Shit. You see it's hot in the spot, so let's go. Strip down to your G-stroke.